Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa kambuni ya Semiconductors Technology Anthony Getheji augĩte kambuni ya kuona kũrĩ na andũ ethĩ marĩ na mathomo na thirikari kambuni cia andũ kĩũmbe.
The traditional semiconductor suppliers are in Southeast Asia, in Singapore, Vietnam, in the Far East, in China heavily, and Taiwan. Taiwan accounts for 34% of all semiconductors globally. Korea, Japan, Australia. Why not Kenya?
Nake minista wa ũkinyanĩria Eliud Owalo akiuga thirikari ĩrĩ mĩhang'o-inĩ ya gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria.
We are going ahead to ensure that we are upscaling that are onboarded on our digital platforms from the current 350,000 government services to an envisaged 5,000 government services, so that all government services are digitalized, so that the Kenyan public can interact with government.
Munini wa president augĩte nĩ egũthiĩ na mbere kũnyitĩrĩra mathukuru ma university tabarĩra-inĩ cia uthundũri.
His Excellency President William Ruto and I will offer the requisite support to our learning institutions, development partners and friends in creating jobs and other opportunities for the people of Kenya. Acknowledge the academic excellence support from STL to the university, especially in science. I commend the STL for training over 150 engineers in chemical, mechanical disciplines.
If we can extend that dual carriageway into Wabogo Farm School of Agriculture, Nyeri National University, Dedan Kimathi University, and the Cancer Center will have done the best service we can.
Tony Getheji, the sky can only be the limit. I mean, you can't stop where you are. We must be the center. The company we were bringing here was meant to deal with the East and Central Africa. US must be the entire Africa.